went night fishing for the first time last summer. My cousin Ray told me about a hidden lake deep in the woods, said it was peaceful, untouched, and full of fish. It was still, quiet, too quiet. The moon was bright. Crickets chirped. It felt calm for a while. Then I saw someone, a tall man in soaked clothes standing at the edge across the lake. He didn't move, just stared. I waved nervously. No reply. I packed my stuff fast. When I turned back,
You can watch the full video through the link below.